What's the first thought that comes into your mind when you think about this new AI future with large language models like ChatGPT? Is it fear? Is it excitement? Is it curiosity? Let me just say this plainly. AI is real and it's game-changing and it's here to stay. This is not a fad. This is a tidal wave and it's coming, and you can choose to ride that wave to success or be crushed by it. Today, I'm sharing the mindset traps that you need to avoid if you want to ride this wave, and the best ways to use ChatGPT and similar technologies that I'm currently teaching to my clients. In fact, if you want to get access to my in-depth new AI training that I did for my clients in Lifehack Tribe, you can register at lifehackmethod.com/tribe, or just click the link in the description. I'm housing all my latest trainings inside of Lifehack Tribe. So there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of fear around AI. But here's the problem. If you think about AI as a job killer, as a threat, you're gonna associate it as a threat. You're gonna dread it, you're gonna avoid it. And that means you'll be late to embrace it, and then it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Then it actually might become a job killer for you. So before we get started, I wanna teach you 3 mindset traps, and these don't just apply to AI, this is for any new technology. Trap number 1, oh, it's just a fad. This is the fad trap. This is where you dismiss it out of hand because you say, oh, you know, it's like Bitcoin. It's gonna pass. I don't have to pay attention to this because it'll be gone in a second. But will it be gone in a second? What's dangerous about this is it gets you dismissing something, which means that you lose the opportunity to be an early adopter and actually benefit from this new thing. I mean, how many times in the last 2 decades do you regret being late on something? TikTok, YouTube, any new technology. So watch out for trap number 1, the fad trap. Trap number 2, the fear trap. Oh, this is terrifying. This is the new apocalypse. Now, to leverage new technology, you have to be curious about technology, and you can't be curious about something if you're deeply in fear around something. So don't believe the most dire predictions. Gang, radiologists were supposed to be out of a job by now, but that never happened. So watch out again for that fear or apocalyptic mentality, because again, it's hard to be an early adopter of something and leverage something when you're deeply in fear of it. And trap number 3, the certainty trap. This is where somebody says, oh, I know exactly how this is gonna play out. Really? I don't know, you don't know, the experts don't know, we don't know how this is gonna play out. You gotta jump in early. You gotta be part of that cutting edge to really know, what is this good for? What can it be applied for? How can I create value with this tool? So watch out for that 3rd trap, the certainty trap. Instead, here's 4 ways to get your mind right and stay positive and curious about ChatGPT and AI in general. First and foremost, I want you to think about AI as a tool for augmentation. AI is this massive accelerant. It's something that empowers you to do more, faster, better. Humans are amazing at building things that augment their own limitations. Bicycle wheels help us augment our strength and speed. A hammer, a chisel, a pry bar in the workplace, a calculator augmenting our mathematical capabilities, computers automating calculations, the internet accelerating our ability to communicate and access the full library of human information. And now AI is going to augment our cognitive abilities, speeding up decision-making, speeding up problem solving, and enabling us to do more creative work. So it's a tool that can automate tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and provide valuable insights. All right. That's a lot of blah, blah, blah. Really, I want you to think about it as augmenting your brain. I mean, just think about all the things you could do to drive value and be creative if you weren't bogged down in all the shallow work and all the busy work. Imagine a world where your favorite author can write 2 or 3 times as many books in their lifetime. Imagine a world where every engineer can do the work of 5 engineers, and therefore we build more bridges and do more engineering work. This is the world that can happen when all the boring work is done for us and we can really elevate to do more truly inspiring work. Okay, number 2, you can think about AI as a catalyst for innovation. AI opens up business opportunities that were previously unimaginable. It streamlines workflows in ways that you could never have practically done without AI. We can use it to solve complex problems more efficiently and therefore create new business models and revolutionize industries. Are you in for that? Do you want to be at the cutting edge of that? Number 3, you can think about AI as a partner in collaboration rather than being a job killer. AI can handle the mundane tasks, the repetitive tasks, and leave you to focus on the truly valuable stuff, the creative, strategic, interpersonal tasks. Those are the areas where we excel as human beings. So this isn't about squashing you down. This is about moving workers up the value train and driving a collaboration between human and machine where the strengths of each are leveraged for the benefit of all. This is not new. We've been doing this with technology for decades. It's just the same story all over again, and admittedly, very fast. And finally, you can think about AI as a tool for skill development. This is literally your best teacher, your best mentor, available 24/7, sitting on your shoulder. AI can make you more valuable by helping you learn new things, upskilling and reskilling yourself. Learning to work with AI and best apply it in and of itself is a skill. That not only future-proofs your career, but also allows you to take advantage of the opportunities that AI presents right now. I sincerely hope you're gonna use this opportunity to ride this incredible wave with me. Now, if you want more support with AI and using it to reach your goals faster, join my community in Lifehack Tribe. You can register at lifehackmethod.com/tribe, or just use the link in the description. Thanks so much, good luck, and I'll see you next time.